Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies, comparing the Segotep 750W power supply and the MSI A550BN gaming power supply. Let's see which one comes out on top. First, let's talk price. The Segotep 750W is priced at $99, while the MSI A550BN comes in at a budget-friendly $59. Reviewers highlight that while the Segotep may cost more, it's praised for its quality and reliability, making it a worthwhile investment for serious builds. In contrast, the MSI is often noted for its great value, especially for those on a tighter budget. If you're looking for dependable performance without breaking the bank, the MSI might be your best friend. Now, let's dive into efficiency. The Segotep boasts an 80+ gold certification with an impressive 91.8% efficiency, which many reviewers have praised for its quiet operation and ability to handle high-performance components. Meanwhile, the MSI has an 80+ bronze certification. While it still delivers good performance, some users report it as being more good enough rather than exceptional. If efficiency is your priority, the Segotep clearly stands out. Next up is cable management. The Segotep features a fully modular design, allowing you to use only the cables you need, which reviewers love for improving airflow and reducing clutter. On the other hand, the MSI offers a traditional setup that some users found less appealing. Reviewers mentioned that while it's functional, it can lead to a messier build. For those who value a clean setup, the Segotep is the clear winner. Lastly, let's talk power output. The Segotep can handle up to 600W for PCIe 5.0 graphics cards, making it ideal for high-end gaming rigs. Reviewers have highlighted its capability to support demanding setups without issues. In contrast, the MSI A550BN is better suited for casual gaming, with users noting it can handle a 3060 Ti comfortably, but recommend caution with higher-end cards. If you're a hardcore gamer, the Segotep is your go-to. In summary, the Segotep 750W power supply is highly regarded for its reliability, efficiency, and modularity, making it a top choice among PC builders. The MSI A550BN is praised for its affordability and solid performance for budget builds, though it may not be as powerful as the Segotep. So what's the verdict? If you're a hardcore gamer or a power user looking for maximum efficiency and modularity, the Segotep 750W power supply is your golden ticket. But if you're on a budget and just need something reliable, the MSI A550BN is a solid choice. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let us know in the comments which power supply you'd choose and why. Unless it's the one that catches fire, then we'll need to talk. Until next time, keep your rigs powered and your wallets happy.